All right, here I was working on a 2024 Toyota Tacoma with a 2.4 liter engine. If you just want the quick info, it does take 5.9 quarts, 0W20 full synthetic. You can use 520 if you're in a pinch, but then replace it with 0W20. The drain plug size is a 14 millimeter, and the drain plug torque is 30 foot-pounds. Okay, here is the oil fill on the left, and on the right, here's your dipstick. I just have it pulled out, but it does have a yellow handle. Here at the bottom, to get to the oil filter, you have to remove this cover, which is 4 12 millimeter bolts, and it's not heavy, so that's good. And then there's your oil filter, and then right here on the left, where I've circled, is the drain plug. Like I said, it's a 14 millimeter, and it's torqued to 30 foot-pounds. And then when you fill your oil, you want to make sure on the dipstick, it's in between these two dots. I highlighted here with the red lines. To reset your oil life, you want to press your start button, get all this started. Engine can be off if you want. Then you're going to be using this back, and then these side buttons, and then these up buttons, and then the middle isn't okay. So you're just going to go back. You're going to go down here to this little gear right there, and then you're going to go to the side with the side button. Right here where it says vehicle settings, it says hold OK. And then you're gonna go down to schedule maintenance and oil maintenance. You can reset both of them if you want, but oil maintenance is the one you really want to reset. Press OK, go up, and then press yes. Because oil maintenance is the oil change. Schedule maintenance is stuff like tire rotation and checking your filters, checking your liquids. You could check that on your owner's manual. But yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll try to help you out.